Hello everyone, today's video is going to be all about setting up email automation inside Constant Contact. So in previous videos, we've showed you how to set up an email through Constant Contact. Automation is basically scheduling a series of emails to be drip fed to a contact list over a certain amount of time. No matter how many people enter that email list, they will always be placed in this automation that will drip them content on a scheduled time frame. So great ways to use email automation is if someone subscribes to your email list, you get a referral and you would like to drip content to them. Maybe it's for your clients and you want to provide them with industry updates. Either way, all the content inside the portal can be set up in an email automation. So I'm going to show you how to do that on Constant Contact, and then I'm going to show you on our bonus content, the marketing calendar, how that can correlate with an automation. So if you log on to Constant Contact, all you're going to do is go to Campaigns tab, click that, and then when you get there, go to the orange button that says Create, and click Email Automation, and click Create. So let's start by naming your autoresponder. We're going to put Q2 RPM content drip. All right, so you're going to select the list. I'm just going to select the general interest list. I'm sure many of you have lists inside that you'd like to apply to this, so select whichever one applies to you. And then I'm going to do copy an existing email because I want to keep the template the same throughout all my email campaigns. So we're going to click the Q2 blog article once since the copy is already in there, the call to action is already in there, it's already set up and ready to go. Continue. And we're going to name this the blog article, so Q2 2018 blog article benchmarking your 401k funds. We'll just take this out. Cool. All right, so this is fine. This can go away. All right, awesome. So everything's set up in here. We're just going to delete this because we like the button better. So all that looks good. It's all set up. Going to click Continue. If you don't have an email set up already, you just set it up like any other email. So, okay, great. So nothing's activated yet, but this is what the automation is going to start to look like. So you have one blog article in there. Now we're going to add another. I would do the same exact thing, copy an existing email. We're going to do the same one. And now we're going to do another blog article. So blog article, another one is, should we have a retirement plan committee? Then you'll input all of the templated email for that. So let's do that together. All right, so here's our email template. All right, so subject line, teamwork makes the retirement dream work. Copy all this information. CV text. All right. Make sure to change the copy of the call to action. Also change the link. All you do is edit and you can change out the link. Awesome. All good to go. Now you'll click continue and it will add this to the automation. So now I'm going to show you the Excel spreadsheet that you can match up with all of this information. So go to bonus materials, scroll down, quarterly marketing calendar. So every quarter we're going to give you the same marketing calendar, different dates, different content, but the format will always stay the same. So you can open this up. And we're only going to look at this right here. Right. So if you look here, we have all the dates listed out for you. So if you want to set up an email automation using these dates, you can, or you can set it up using the weeks. So what you're going to do is match everything up. So blog article, actions, schedule. You can do immediately after contact is added to list because this is the first email. And then this one says 1 day after blog article is sent. So if you don't want that, you can click change. You can do 1 week after. You can do 5 days after, whatever you'd like. If you want to follow this, then you can see that, we do have the weeks set up for you. So if benchmarking your 401k funds is sent on, if you want that to be the first email that's triggered, and this comes 2 weeks after, then you would schedule this for 2 weeks after. So on and so forth, you'll add all of your content. Now the Excel spreadsheet calendar is just a guide, so you don't have to follow it. A simple way to set up an automation is an email is sent out every week. You'll have about 10 pieces probably in here to send out. So that is how you send a constant contact email automation. You can click activate when you're ready to go. And basically how it will trigger emails is anyone that joins the list. So if you add people into the email list that it is connected to, then they will start receiving emails based on the email automations actions. So hope that helps. If you guys have questions, just remember you can always schedule time with us on the best practices and resources page right here at the bottom.